Hello, I'm here to show you how to make a Lego Mo, and these are all the pieces that you need to build him. Look closely. Okay, so first you take this piece, and then take these two pieces, put them on like that. And then you take this piece and put it back here. Grab this one, stick it on. Same with this one. Stick it right there. Then you grab these two orange dots. Stick them right here. Then take this smooth top. Put it right here. Now you have to grab this one and put it right here. And that's his body. But now for the arms. So first you take these pieces and then attach these on. And now take these little circles, attach them on right here. The reason you put the circles on is so his hands can move. Then take these two cylinders, connect them, and put them on the stick. Like this, and then you put the stick on his hands, and there's your Mo. This thing, you can hold on, Mo. But I have to say, it isn't the best Mo. I didn't have that very good pieces, so thanks for watching. Mo.